What's up guys, it's Dallas again, Chaos Fragrances. Today we're back with another episode of Fragrant Facts. This one is going to be on how to tell if you bought a fake fragrance or how to kind of spot a fake fragrance, whether it be on the bottle itself or if it's from online, how to tell if it's legit. I'm going to kind of quickly cover that in this video. Before we get started though guys, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps out with engagement on my channel. Also subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I post. And let's go ahead and get right into it. So here I got two fragrances right here, Invictus Aqua. One of these is real and one of these is fake. I'm not sure if you can tell by looking right now. I'm trying to give you, can't really see. This one is actually the real Invictus Aqua. Okay, one thing you can tell is by the juice color. So you can see how the juice is a little bit darker, a little bit, I guess, more blue. And this one, it's basically clear. Another thing is looking at the sprayer right here. You can see the black nozzle in this one. And in the one over here, there's no black nozzle in that. Another thing to look for is the lettering on the back where it says Paco Rabanne. The font on this real one, lowercase, all lowercase, smaller. On this one, the P is capitalized and the font is different. And actually on this fake one, the sprayer doesn't even work. Then also the batch code and stuff and lettering on the bottom is different than on the real thing. So mainly what you want to do when you're trying to find out if your fragrance is fake is just compare it to another bottle if you can, compare it to some pictures so that you can compare them side by side, and then obviously if your sprayer actually works, compare the smell, see if it's the same. And as far as when it comes to buying the fragrance, if you're buying off of Notino, FragranceNet, FragranceX, places like that, you're going to be fine. But if you're buying off of eBay, if you're buying off of some other kind of sketchy places, then you could run the risk of it being a fake. It's really just best to do your research. This fake one here I actually got off of Bonanza. It was like 60 bucks. So I took a shot and it ended up being fake. So one thing that is nice, if you pay through PayPal goods and services, they will cover you that if you make a claim, and they will get you your money back if it is a fake, which is something that's nice to have. So if you're going to be buying from a sketchy place like that or a place where you're not completely sure, make sure you do PayPal goods and services, then they can cover you. And guys, if this video gets 200 likes, I will smash this fake Invictus Aqua bottle. That'd be fun. Fragrant facts, how to dispose of your fake fragrances. Like this video. Alright guys, so I was going to do it for this video. A really quick one here. There really isn't much to it. There are channels out there I know of that compare real versus fake fragrances all the time. It's not too complicated. Compare the bottles, compare all the little features on them to see if it's fake, and then just make sure you're buying from a trusty source so that you don't get ripped off. That's really all I have for you guys today. Again, just a quick video, just kind of showing you real versus fake, and then just kind of something you know that, you know, being scammed, it happens to all of us. I learned my lesson with that one. But now I got an actual legit backup bottle of Invictus Aqua now, and I guess they're bringing it back this year, so I kind of went through all that for nothing, but you know, it is what it is. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, share the video, get us 200 likes, I'll smash that bottle, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.